Come closer if you're a lover of custard ice cream. I want to show you how to make the best custard ice cream. Before, get your milk powder and put that into a bowl, and we'll be dissolving that with some warm water. You want to dissolve it with warm water. That way, you the everything is just free from lumps and all of that. You stir properly until it's well dissolved. Take your time, stir. In case you're unable to stir to dissolve it properly, you can as well strain it or sieve it so that you sift it so that you drop the lumps in the sieve, and then you have a very smooth consistency. Now let's go ahead and set this aside. If you set this aside, we'll go ahead to work on our custard. And one thing about your custard is to know how to mix it very well. So use room temperature water or tap water to mix it to get a consistency. It shouldn't be too light, it shouldn't be too thick. If you are mixing, you realize that it's kind of thick, don't add any more water. Continue to mix, everything will just dissolve and you get something like this. This is just perfect. Okay, while you are doing this, make sure you are heating some water in either a kettle or you've put some water on your stove. Make sure the water is boiling. It should be boiling. It's not warm, it should be boiling. That way when you pour it over your custard like this, you get it cooked very well. It will become thick, and as soon as it gets thick, you know that you are getting there. Make sure you add some more warm water, boiled water, in case it's too thick for you. Okay, add some more boiled water. Yes, but I prefer this consistency since I'll be mixing it with my milk. So this is just perfect. All the measurements will be in the description, so don't worry, you have all the measurements in the description. Now let's put this into our milk just like this, and make sure you mix everything until they are well combined, until you see no custard separately, until the milk is not separate from the custard. Yes, just like this. Make sure everything is mixed until it's very, very smooth like this. Something like this is just okay. And I'll have everything in the description, the measurement, and then you'll be able to achieve it. Add any flavor of your choice. I use 2 tablespoons of vanilla because I want to feel that vanilla in it. You can also use any flavor of your choice. I added sugar, and I went ahead to add some condensed milk. You can use sugar only without condensed milk, or you can use condensed milk only. Also, you can use both, but make sure when it comes to the sweetness, I think you should do it to suit your preference. If you do not like too much of the sugar, make sure you do it to just suit your preference. Okay, you shouldn't do too much if you don't like it too much. Okay, yeah. Now put it in a popsicle mode or any nylon or any rubber like this. Tie this very well and freeze it in few hours. Okay, in few hours your custard ice cream will just be ready in few hours. Yeah, so this is the quantity we got, and this is what we are going to be freezing. Okay, if today is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for clicking on my video. Do not forget to like, subscribe if you found this helpful. Also, click on the bell notification icon and share to your friends and loved ones so it can reach a lot of people. They can also make this same ice cream just as you see. When it comes to this ice cream, you know, with the measurement, every bite is just filled with so much goodness. It's so thick, it melts in the mouth. Okay, you don't have block all this. You have it very well, and it melts so much in the mouth. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.